How to grow hair faster naturally by coconut oil. Ever wished your hair would grow faster? Picture this: a natural elixir that transforms your locks into a lush mane with just a few drops. Enter coconut oil, the secret to accelerated hair growth. In a world of expensive treatments and chemical products, embrace the pure goodness of coconut oil for naturally longer, stronger, and healthier hair. Join us on this journey to unlock your hair's full potential through the wonders of coconut oil. Because when nature provides such potent resources, why settle for anything less? Check the link for helpful products and don't forget to subscribe for more natural beauty tips. Understanding the hair growth cycle is crucial in your journey to growing hair faster and maintaining healthy locks. The cycle consists of three main phases: anagen, catagen, and telogen. During the anagen phase, the hair actively grows for 2 to 7 years, while the catagen phase signals a transitional period where growth slows down. Finally, the telogen phase involves shedding old hairs to make way for new ones. It's important to note that everyone's hair growth cycle varies based on genetics, health, and lifestyle factors. By understanding this cycle, you can tailor your hair care routine to promote healthy growth. Using coconut oil as a natural remedy can deeply nourish your scalp and follicles, providing essential nutrients for hair growth acceleration. Incorporating coconut oil into your hair care routine can stimulate blood circulation in the scalp, promoting healthier follicles and stronger strands. This natural treatment not only aids in faster hair growth but also helps reduce breakage and split ends. Understanding how coconut oil works with the hair growth cycle can elevate your efforts towards achieving luscious locks naturally. Coconut oil is a versatile and natural solution that can significantly promote hair growth. Its unique composition allows it to penetrate deep into the hair follicles, nourishing them from within and promoting stronger, healthier hair growth. Additionally, coconut oil contains lauric acid, which has antibacterial and antimicrobial properties that help keep the scalp clean and free from infections that may hinder hair growth. Furthermore, the medium-chain fatty acids in coconut oil serve as excellent moisturizers for the scalp, preventing dryness and itchiness that can inhibit proper hair growth. Regular use of coconut oil also helps reduce protein loss in both damaged and undamaged hair, resulting in thicker and more resilient strands. By incorporating coconut oil into your hair care routine, you can harness its natural benefits to achieve longer, stronger, and healthier locks. One innovative way to use coconut oil for hair growth is by creating a DIY hair mask. Mix warm coconut oil with a few drops of essential oils like rosemary or lavender, known for their hair-strengthening properties. Apply this mixture to your scalp and massage gently before wrapping your hair in a towel and leaving it on for at least an hour. Rinse thoroughly with shampoo and water to unveil nourished and strengthened locks. Another lesser-known method is incorporating coconut oil into your regular shampoo routine. Simply adding a small amount of coconut oil to your favorite shampoo can help enhance its moisturizing effects while promoting healthier scalp conditions. This blend works towards reducing breakage, dryness, and split ends, ultimately fostering an environment conducive to faster hair growth naturally. For those looking for immediate results, massaging warm coconut oil into the scalp can stimulate blood circulation, promoting better nutrient delivery to the follicles. Take some time each week to gently massage warmed coconut oil onto your scalp using circular motions for added relaxation benefits. Embracing this ritual alongside consuming a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals can significantly contribute to achieving longer, stronger hair over time. In addition to coconut oil, there are several other natural ingredients that can help promote hair growth and overall hair health. One such ingredient is aloe vera, known for its soothing and moisturizing properties. Aloe vera gel can be applied directly to the scalp to nourish hair follicles and stimulate growth. Another powerful ingredient is rosemary oil, which has been found to improve circulation in the scalp and promote hair growth. Rich in antioxidants, rosemary oil can also help combat free radicals that may damage hair cells. Additionally, incorporating essential oils like peppermint or lavender can provide a refreshing scent while also promoting blood flow to the scalp, encouraging healthy hair growth. By combining these natural ingredients with coconut oil in your hair care routine, you can create a potent concoction that not only supports faster hair growth but also boosts overall hair health. Experimenting with different combinations and finding what works best for your specific needs can lead to luscious locks that exude vitality and strength. Using coconut oil for hair growth can be incredibly beneficial, but it's important to use it correctly. First, always choose organic, cold-pressed, and unrefined coconut oil to ensure you're getting the best quality product. When applying the oil to your hair and scalp, make sure to massage it in gently and evenly distribute it throughout your strands. You can leave it on for at least 30 minutes or overnight for maximum benefits. One precaution to keep in mind is that coconut oil is heavy and can weigh down fine hair if used in excess, so start with a small amount and adjust as needed. Additionally, while coconut oil can help nourish the scalp and promote hair growth, it may not work for everyone since individual results vary. Remember that consistency is key when using natural remedies like coconut oil. Make it a regular part of your hair care routine for best results. Making lifestyle changes to support hair growth is essential for those seeking faster and healthier results. One impactful way is through incorporating a balanced diet rich in vitamins and nutrients that promote hair health, such as vitamin E, biotin, and omega-3 fatty acids. Additionally, managing stress levels can significantly impact hair growth, as high stress levels can lead to hair loss. Regular scalp massages with natural oils like coconut oil can help improve blood circulation to the hair follicles, promoting growth. Furthermore, avoiding harsh chemicals and heat styling tools can prevent damage and breakage, allowing the hair to grow stronger and longer. Consistency in these lifestyle changes alongside a holistic approach will not only lead to faster hair growth but also result in overall healthier and more luscious locks. As we conclude this transformative journey with coconut oil, share your experience in the comments below. Have you tried any other natural remedies for hair growth? We'd love to hear your tips and tricks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more beauty insights. Ring that notification bell to stay updated on our upcoming natural hair care guides. And, of course, click the link below for products that will complement your journey to healthier, longer hair. Until next time, embrace the natural magic of coconut oil and let your locks flourish.